Gotcha. Gotcha.
I'm sending shots, these niggas they old. That boy rare, you know that he told. Like a granddad, I walk with that pole. Nike check from my head to my toe. Wait, I'm thinking
So here we have a pretty sick Hellcat. Red's not my favorite color. Depending on what, some trucks look good, some Chargers look good, but I mean this looks fire.
My hands look like this, so that this piece of shit can betray me.
You know,
and
this
not
dude
run.
did not have a thumb. I'm baffled. Street Arrows 350Z. This dude's pretty wild. Has a 2JZ swap Lambo. Impressive. Keeping this truck forever. That's what we all say. And then, I mean, that's unfortunate. It wasn't like he sold it. It kind of had to get rid of it. Dude likes to party. Pretty sweet truck, but you know this thing probably rides like absolute like a horse-drawn buggy. There ain't no way it doesn't. You know, it doesn't surprise me a Mopar being beat up. Probably got wrecked at a takeover meet, I would imagine. Painting looks so fun and relaxing, but it's probably an absolute pain. But dude's nice with it. I mean, just imagine getting rear-ended though. It's like, it's gone. GG's in chaff. This thing gets hit in the back. I thought it was a Corvette, but I don't even know what kind of car this is. Put in the comments what kind of car this is. Alright, save the Civic. I mean, I respect it. I mean, it is a Civic. It's like, who cares? But, like, it's their car. So, I mean, that's why. You already know this thing broke sound barriers of how loud this thing is.
I don't have anything funny to say with this video.
Rest in peace, Thomas.
Apparently, if you just say,
This Mustang is nasty. Oh, yeah. Nasty.
this one's for the boys.
You know, these Audis, I think this is an RS3. Such sweet cars. The front ends of these are so nasty. Granted, this one's a little beat up, but things happen. Always that random person screaming for zero reason. I mean, like, what goes through people's minds? Like, what in the world did you think was going to happen? Like, good gracious.
So here's a little flashback Friday for y'all. This is my old GT86 drift car in a river in Norway. And I just
mean,
wanted to
that's
show how
unfortunate.
this happened. We were shooting Burning 3 feature film up in the
This is
iconic
straight out of Forza.
Troll
You can't
Wall
tell
in
me any
Norway.
different.
And we needed to make it look like the car was in a waterfall. So we built a clone. This is a crashed GT86, so we put a livery on. It got hoisted in with a crane, and we dressed it to look like I had gone off course. And even if that could very well have happened, it didn't that particular time.
Impressive.
So
But I feel
well,
like I got
GT86
clickbaited.
continued to live on, and we had a lot of fun that day.
It's pretty neat, though. Yeah. You know homie's mad, but you got hit by Thought Patrol. Like, can you really be mad if you got hit by Thought Patrol? Like, let's be real. Miss Frizzle had a little too much of their activities and adventures, so she's going home.